What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Nostalgia by Tate McRae. If you're new here, click that subscribe button. Also, if you need the guitar tab for this video, you can find it in the Patreon link in the video description. I have all my guitar tabs there for all of my videos. You can also get the ebook Master the Guitar in 7 Days there as well, so if you need any of that, check that out below and let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's using 4 different chords throughout the entire song. Again, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in that ebook that's in the Patreon link below. We're starting off with a C major chord. It's going to be 3rd fret on the A string, your second largest string, on the 3rd fret with your ring finger, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and then your index finger on the 1st fret of the B string here. Then we need E minor, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, ring finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and all the strings ring open. Then we need a D major chord, index finger on the 2nd fret of your G string, then your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B, then your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the high E. And then finally, A minor, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, ring finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, index finger on the 1st fret of the B string. And then you will also need this transition chord here. All you're going to do is from here, move your middle finger up to the 2nd fret of the A string, and you'll technically take your index finger off when we're picking it. Okay, now so for your picking pattern, it's going to be very similar through all 4 chords. So let's start with the C. You're picking, for all of these, you're going to be picking your root note with your thumb on your 3 low strings, your thickest strings. Your thumb is going to pick all 3 of those. Your index finger is going to pick the G string. Your middle finger is going to pick the B string. And your ring finger, I don't think we picked the high E, but if we did, it would be your ring finger. So starting with the C, your thumb picks the low A, middle finger, high B, index finger on the G, your thumb on the D, and then your index finger on the G again. So bum, 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 bum. The index and the thumb right there are pretty quick. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. That plays twice. Now let's go to your E minor chord. And same thing, except your thumb is going to pluck the low E. Then your middle finger back to the B. Sorry. Index, thumb, index on the G and B again, same way. Goes twice. Now let's go to your D, and your thumb is going to now pluck the D string. Middle finger is the same, index finger is the same, thumb, index. Now, A minor. It's going to do the same thing, except your thumb is now plucking the A string again. But it only does it once. And then this is when you go to this transition chord here, or you start with the A and the B, and then switch just like that. So, and those are both the A and the B string, thumb on the A, middle finger on the B. So it looks like the A minor goes. So I'm going to play all of that together very slowly so you can see how it goes. Here we go. So now for your strumming pattern, you're using those exact same chords in that exact same order. And your strumming pattern is going to be down, down, up, for all of them, playing twice for each chord except the end, and I'll show you that one. So down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 down. So there at the end, you play down, 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 down. So it's just down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing and you will have this song down in no time. Again, if you need the guitar tab or if you need the guitar chords in the ebook Master the Guitar in 7 Days, you can find all of that in the video description and in the pinned comment below. It's on my Patreon page. I also have a lot of other rewards and stuff on there for patrons. There's free tiers, there's paid tiers. I've got tiers on there where you can sign up for a one-on-one lesson with me. I'm started to post new tutorials from there, and I'm starting to get all of my tutorial requests from there. So you can post them all in the, your questions and everything in the comment section here, and I'll try and get to them as much as possible, but I will be more active on my Patreon page, so make sure you go check that out. If you need anything, let me know. Comment section or my email is in the video description, or contact me on Patreon. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.